Hello my friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to install Windows 10 on Mac, and you have both operating systems. You have macOS and your Windows 10 on this MacBook Pro using Bootcamp, the official way from Mac. Continue watching this video tutorial.
So make sure you put the computer on a charger, and then now you go and open up Bootcamp. Search for Bootcamp Assistant. This is very important. Open up Bootcamp Assistant, and click Continue. Then you will see external storage device attached. Please remove any external storage device attached to this system before continue. So first of all, we need to remove this external storage device. Okay, click OK. Click continue. So it's very important to remove all time machine snapshot. Okay, and now you will see here, to install Windows, please choose the Windows ISO file, select the partition size, then click install. Okay, so we don't have any ISO files for the moment. What we have to do, go directly here on Safari and search for Windows 10 download ISO. Okay, here we are. Click here, and then you have to download it right now. Select the edition, choose the product language. I need English. Okay, firm. And here we are. We have here downloads version 64-bit or 32-bit. I use this one, 64-bit. We want to allow downloads and click allow, and then we are waiting for this download. After we download Windows 10 ISO file, you have to go again here on Bootcamp Assistant, choose your ISO file. Okay, go here on the downloads, and here it is, Windows 10 21H1. This is the last one, 64-bit. Click open here, and now choose the space you want to let for Windows. I will let 84 gigabytes for Windows on this video tutorial, okay? And then click install downloading Windows support file. So we need those Windows support software, because these are the drivers we have to use when we bought our Mac on Windows, because these drivers will help this Mac for graphic card, for audio, and for all the sensors work well. And then we will expect computer to be restarted. So it's saving Windows support software. So now it's partitionizing the disk. This process maybe will take 5 to 20 minutes. So it's partitionizing the disk. And now this MacBook Pro is asking for a restart. Okay, you will see the computer is restarted. And now, okay, we'll see Windows on the Mac. Okay, this is the startup. Setup is starting on MacBook Pro. You will choose these settings, choose your language to install. I will click here next because it's okay. I don't have a product key for a moment. We will buy later. Okay, guys? Then choose your Windows. Let's click Windows 10 Pro. And the Windows 10 Pro for workstations, but I will use this one, Windows 10 Pro, okay? Click Next. Then accept the license. click next, and now it's installing the Windows. Now it's copying the files one by one. Computer will be restarted directly. You will see the computer is started directly to the Windows. Let's see, getting device ready. Just a moment. Here we are. You have to click here, choose your region, you choose United States, and then US, click yes. Okay, skip the keyboard, I think it's okay. Let's connect to your network. If you don't have internet for the moment, click here, I don't have internet. Maybe for the moment we don't have internet, click here, I don't have internet. And then you will connect with limited setup for the moment. Put the name here, tips to fix. Here, click enter, put your password, tips to fix again. Here it is, tips to fix, and click enter, and put some 3 reasons here. Okay, choose those. Nickname, tips to fix again, and then click the 3rd question. Put tips to fix again, and click next. Here, just a moment. Here we are. I usually prefer to turn off all of these options. I don't want any tracking from Microsoft or something. Just click accept here. I click let's Cortana help. I click not now. I don't want Cortana just for the moment. So now. Yeah, we are almost ready. Welcome to Bootcamp installer. This is very, very important. You have to click next here, and we will install all the Bootcamp installer drivers, and we will need to install it. Click install. Now, as you see, maybe later. Okay? And I'm running here Windows 10. Here. Graphic driver is installed, and I see, because you will see some flashing. It's very important, you need to install that. If you don't install this, you will not be able to use camera, sound, or even your graphic card. So you need to install this, okay? Don't forget that it's very important. And I think maybe Windows is running better here than an other computer. It's not finished yet, so let's wait. Okay, I have to restart the system. Click yes, finish here. Here we are. Windows 10 is installed successfully. Double click here, put your password. Tips to fix, and then enter. Here we are. Windows 10 is ready and is installed. Very, very beautiful, and is installed and working well. Let's see the properties. Wow, look at this, guys. It looks perfect, right? So now, what if you want to go back on the macOS, on the Apple operating system? So what do you have to do? Windows is set as a default operating system, and then every restart you do to the computer, it will open up on the Windows. So to open up on the MacBook Pro right now, what you have to do, you just turn off your Mac right now, shut down, turn off your Mac, okay? shut down the Mac. And what you gotta do is you have to click Option button, keep it and hold it, and then turn on the Mac. Keep the button hold. You have to keep and hold the Option button as long as you see both options. To choose your hard drive, here is macOS and here is Windows. Here is macOS and Windows. Okay, which one you want to choose? Okay, for the moment I will choose here macOS and then click Enter. So now this MacBook Pro is opening up on the Mac. And if you want to open up on the window, click Restart, click the Option button again, hold it when you see the two options on the screen. Here we see the two options again. Now choose Windows and click Enter, and now your MacBook Pro is starting on the Windows. I will explain you how to set which operating system will stay by default. Then every restart you do will open up automatically on the system you choose. I will show you right now. To change your startup disk, you go here on Apple, go System Preferences, and then search for Startup Disk. Here it is, Startup Disk. Click on the Startup Disk, and then select the system you want to use to start your computer. And you just unlock this, put your password, and now choose your operating system. Choose Mac or choose Bootcamp Windows. And I will choose this Mac. Click Restart this computer in target disk mode, okay? And then you have to click here, Restart. Let's do Restart and see which operating system will choose by automatically. Click Restart, start anyway, and let's see which operating system is set by default. Okay, as we see, macOS is set by default now, and it works well. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is how you can install Windows 10 on your MacBook Pro. Thank you for watching. God bless you and see you on the next video tutorial.